Welcome, food lovers, to your very own Shohini's kitchen. Today I'm here with a very tasty Bengali dessert, the Malpuas. The Malpuas are generally made during the Makar Sankranti, but you can also make it all year through. It's very easy to make and the ingredients are easily available. So, what are we waiting for? Let's take a look at the recipe. Boil the sugar syrup for 5 minutes and then take it down from the heat. Set it aside and let it cool down to room temperature. Once it has cooled down, you can start dipping the malpuas in it. Dip the malpuas and take them out quickly. Don't let them absorb the sugar syrup too much, as that would make them too sweet. The Malpuas are now ready. If you like this recipe, do give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comment section below. Please leave your valuable feedback and suggestion for a future recipe. Thanks for watching. See you next week with another exciting recipe. Till then, enjoy the Malpuas with your family and friends.